Today we have amazing, beautiful topic in here. Today I'm going to tell you people why the woman's V makes certain sound when you are or there. I'm going to talk about two signs. Number one, tweaky, tweaky, tweaky. Then number two, that is sound. So just to tell me even before watching the video, you are doing and is doing that sound. Even when you're not ready to come, you will just come. So our point number one, it depends. It means that the air is entering in and out, in and out. This is now we are doing the air. There is that pressure, and when the pressure is there, there is a way the air is entering in and out, in and out. It depends on also the type of V you are doing. When the V is big, the sound is different. The sound is when the V is small, it will do that tweak it, tweak it, tweak it, tweak it. It depends also. It does not just make sound the same way the one for Jane model will make sound is the same way for both will make sound. Never. It makes sound according to the type of the V. We only have two types. The one which is Udinino and the one which is small. Okay. So our point number two, we have to give the man high appetite. You see, I tell you people that in most cases, now the man is on top of Jane model and there is that sound, that sound. Even when he has not yet planned on his head that I should come, he will automatically come 100%. At that time, the machine, now it was like, it will automatically, it gives him appetite. It makes the thing to be more pleasurable and more enjoyable. The sound alone, and it will not make noise when the lubricant is also not there. Another point is when you see it is making noise, it means that the lubricant, I mean the natural lubricant, has been produced. It also means that the hormones are really active, and the hormones which produces these lubricants, they are really active, and the lubricants has been what produced. What most of you call it fluids, it has been produced. So it is this lubricant and these fluids which when the man is now pushing inside is anyway, it means the water, the fluids, the real lubricant, it is there. So it is the one causing this tweaky tweaky, or it is the one causing this sound in the V to happen. This is the reality here. Without the lubricant or without the fluid, there is no noise you'll hear. You put it in the dry V and you see whether the noise will be there. There will not be noise. Injury will start injuring itself. So it will only happen in a wet V. This is the reality here. Something that service. Yes, the same way you take your car for service, even the V needs service. And how to service it to bring this lubricant is to do the good romance, to do the good kiss, to do the foreplay slowly. These are things you need. This is a reality, guys. Again, you want me to go deeper? So our next point we have, it also means that the air is being forced in and out of the V. That is when it will start doing this sound. Shh, shh, shh. That is the sound it will make at that time. It means that the air is being forced inside and also outside of the V. Maybe a layman's language or in a local language, I would say the air is entering in and out. That is what it means, why it makes that sound or that noise. That is what exactly it means. Our next point, we have the position you are using. For example, when you're using doggo style, oh yeah, mama, the sound will be. When you are using missionary style, the sound will also be there. There will be forced air in and out. The position also matters. You just use any position. In a position, for example, using sideway, you will not hear all that much sound. But this position that I've mentioned, it brings that sound beautiful and sweeter and nice. And the position you're using also, it's the one which causes this sound in the V, the sound to be there. Yes. Our next point we have, it means that the woman, this is what she likes so much. Yes, because it is actually us after doing the foreplay. Our body has to communicate now at that time. And for example, if she's the one doing it, she's doing cowgirl style, she's on top. And she finds this funny. The sound is sounding, and she finds this sound funny, and she makes it even more funny. It means that this is what she likes the most, and it means this is what really puts her in the mood. This is really what she likes the most and the most. So when you see her trying to stick stick to that sound, and even making it more beautiful and more romantic. Don't start abusing her. Don't start saying this is spoiled girl. No, you all, oh God, we are enjoying now. Oh God, please. I thought we are enjoying two of us, me and you. Now the thing is, the thing, and you are now saying, I am a spoiled girl. No, we are trying to make babies, good, beautiful children. Hmm. Beautiful children. Yes. Mhm. This also means that this woman really, really loves you. Let us put Jane Model. It means Jane Model loves you so much. The moment she's on that top, cowgirl, and when you are cowgirl, you are controlling everything. It is you to make sure the sound is there. Yes, this means that I really love you so, so much. There are people who will even tighten their thighs. The sound will not come out at all. But the one who makes you to listen to that sound, you enjoy that sound, it means she really loves you so, so much. Continue doing that. This is what she loves so much. You know, it feels so pleasurable when you're doing it with someone who really loves you. I am telling you. So I tell things, go for someone who really loves you. Okay? Go for woman who loves you, really, really love, not faking, not forging, you know. So our next point, why it makes that tricky, why it makes it means that the lubricant has also been produced at that time. I've already, I think, explained this one. Without the lubricant, there is no sound which will be produced here. You cannot produce sound when the V is dry. It can't happen. We need that fluid to make that sound. And our last point, it means that this is what she loves so much. The moment you see she's making it more interesting, she looks at you even when she's doing it. She looks at you and she gives you a smile up to here. It means this is what she loves so, 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 so much. Guys, do you still want me to continue? Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you guys so much. I am out of this place. Kwaheri, kwaheri. Bye, guys. Consider subscribing. Hit on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I am out of this place. Bye, guys.